This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with admin rights and no active VPN. This ensures commands run. First, save files and note IP, DNS, and adapter names so you can restore settings if needed. Now, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. This gives you full system control. Once done, disable Wi-Fi and disconnect external firewalls. Make sure the system will target the local adapter. These prerequisites prevent interruptions and explain why the reset commands will apply correctly to the intended interface. You now execute the core commands to rebuild network state. Start with ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to clear and require the DHCP lease. This fixes bad addresses. Next, run netch-int IP reset to rewrite protocol registry keys and netch-winsock reset to clear socket catalog corruption. Both actions repair deep stack issues. Finally, flush the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons to remove stale records. Then restart the network adapter or reboot the PC when commands say a restart is required. Once the system restarts, re-enable Wi-Fi and reconnect to your network. Then verify IP, gateway, and DNS are correct so routing will work. Test by pinging 8 to confirm basic connectivity and ping Google. COM to confirm DNS resolution. This shows the how and why of each check. If problems continue, update or roll back the network adapter driver and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to isolate interference. That tip often identifies driver or security conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.